Hello, this is Rebecca Rowntree with Osa Tropical Properties. I'm standing in front of the gated entrance to the community called Cuesta del Sol. This is where my newest three-bedroom, three-bathroom home is located. Take a look at the listing. Now that you've seen how beautiful the views are on the outside of this home, let's take a step inside so you can see the beautiful open concept floor plan that blends comfort with luxury. A really beautiful feature of this home is the extensive use of teak wood. You'll find it in the cabinetry, in the kitchen, and the bathrooms, and the flooring in all of the master suites. This home uniquely features 3 master suites. 2 are located upstairs. This is the primary master suite, which is located on the main floor. It has a large walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom with double sinks. For the comfort of yourself and your guests, all of the bedrooms have air conditioning.